This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Measure and prep your ingredients first. Use 1 cup quinoa and 1/2 cup split yellow moong dal, rinsed under cold water until clear. Soak the dal for 15 minutes while you chop 1 cup mixed vegetables such as carrot, spinach, and zucchini to add fiber and micronutrients. Have 3 cups water ready for cooking, 1 teaspoon ghee for tempering, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of asafoetida, and salt to taste to balance flavor and aid digestion. Start on medium heat. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida, then sauté 2 cloves, chopped garlic, and the chopped vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the soaked dal and rinsed quinoa, stir for a minute, then pour in 3 cups water, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and salt. Bring to a boil, then reduce to low and simmer covered. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the mixture is soft and porridge-like, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and 1/2 teaspoon roasted cumin powder to enhance flavor and aid digestion. Garnish with chopped cilantro. This khichdi serves 2, with each serving about 300 kcal depending on vegetables and ghee. It provides protein from quinoa and moong and complex carbs for sustained energy. For weight loss, eat 1 portion for lunch or dinner alongside a leafy salad, control portions to 1 serving, and avoid adding extra oil or fried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.